SymmetryMill is a web application for creating patterns from images and sharing them with your friends. To get started, click one of the many links on the Artlandia website and SymmetryMill will launch in a new window. SymmetryMill will always have an image loaded in the source image window. If you have not loaded your own, a demo image will load for you. Notice this little tool here. We call this the control path. Whatever you select with the control path is used as the motif for your pattern. If you modify the control path, the pattern in the background is rebuilt in real time. To get a better look at the pattern so far, you can clear everything away so just the pattern window is displayed, but I'll bring everything back. It's a good idea to sign in so SymmetryMill can start automatically saving your work. If you are subscribed to the full version, signing in will unlock all the features of SymmetryMill. In either case, check the Stay Signed In box and you won't be bothered with this ever again. Now let's look at the Parameters panel. For surface patterns, there are exactly 17 mathematically possible types of symmetry, and they are all available within SymmetryMill. And if the type of symmetry you've selected does not produce a seamless pattern, there are blend sliders that'll smooth away any hard boundaries there might be. Simple. Back in the source image window, you can change the background color or get rid of the background altogether and work with transparencies, often useful. You can move or rotate your image. Oops, I didn't want to do that. Fortunately, there's the undo and redo buttons. There's also keyboard shortcuts, Command-Shift-Z on Mac or Control-Z, Control-Shift-Z on Windows. So let's say you've played around a bit and now you want to use your pattern somewhere else. You can export your pattern from SymmetryMill as either a single tile or as a full image, and then you'll be able to print it on fabric, use it as a background on a web page, or for something else. If you want to save your pattern within SymmetryMill so you can come back to it later, you can take a snapshot. Click on the little camera icon in the corner and your pattern gets added to your snapshot. To restore any pattern from a snapshot, just click that snapshot and all the settings come right back. Snapshots are stored in your user account and you don't need to remember to save them. Everything is done behind the scenes automatically. All the snapshots from a single source image are saved in a set and can be reloaded later by going to the Manage Snapshots panel. Until now, we've been working with this demo image, but of course, you can load any image from your computer or from a URL. Let's say you want to use some well-known image, so let's see, do a quick web search, get your image, copy the web address and go back to SymmetryMill, click the Load Image button, paste the address, and click Load. There you go. You can now work with that image, save a snapshot, or perhaps share your work with friends. Or maybe you're done with the snapshot set and want to open another, so again, click on the Manage Snapshots button. You can see the current snapshot set is selected. Now you can create a copy of it, or start a brand new set. But what have we here? This being a popular image on the web, it turns out that somebody has already shared a few snapshots created from this same image. We can browse through them right here in the Manage Snapshots dialog. Let's choose this one. You click OK, and now you can see the patterns someone else has created. Because this is a shared set, the Shared Status button in the toolbar is now visible. You can click that button and go to this pattern's homepage to find out who the author is, and to find more shared patterns by the same author. You can also find more patterns in the same category, and if you find something that looks interesting, you click the link and get the pattern set loaded back into SymmetryMill. The source image and all the settings are get loaded too automatically, so you can continue to work with the pattern until it's just right for you. Now if you see something you like, you can tell your friends about it and they will be able to load these same patterns in SymmetryMill in their own browsers. You don't need a subscription to see the patterns, but they do need to subscribe if they want to modify the patterns. And because I do have a subscription, I can edit these patterns. Add another snapshot and I see that the Shared Status button has changed to the Derived Set icon, which means that if I share that modified set, it'll be marked as a derivative from the original set, which is only fair. If you want to start making your own patterns from that image, just click Delete all snapshots and the shared status clears. So that's a quick rundown of SymmetryMill. You can use it to create patterns from just about any image, share your patterns with your friends, join the pattern design community, and generally have fun designing terrific patterns quickly and easily.